Before you listen to the audio, I want you to think about what you are to pay attention to. I want you to pay attention to what Ida studies when you listen. Where does Ida study? Why does Ida love Australia so much? And what is the Great Barrier Reef? Also listen to what she says about the different people and cultures in Australia. And lastly, the temperatures and animals. I want you to repeat after me. I'm going to divide the sentences into smaller pieces and you repeat. Ida lives in Sydney. Ida is from Norway, but she studies computer science in Sydney, Australia. I love Australia, says Ida. It's always sunny, and I can go to the beach every day after school. Next month, I will go diving in the Great Barrier Reef. That is a large, famous coral reef full of colourful fish. We can also see sharks, dolphins, and sea turtles there. There are many different people and cultures in Sydney because many immigrants come to live here. The most famous beach in Sydney is Bondi Beach. The Sydney Opera House is also very famous. The middle of Australia is very hot and dry. It is called the Outback. I still haven't seen a kangaroo or a koala, but I am sure that will happen soon. Now you can listen to this audio as many times as you wish and repeat after me and practice your pronunciation. When you have done this 3 to 5 times, you should try to read the text on your own and try to read it quicker every time you read it so that you will better your fluency and your pronunciation as well. Now, do the exercise 6 on your copy. Answer these questions. Why is Ida in Australia? Why does Ida like Australia so much? What famous places does she talk about? What can you see and do in the Great Barrier Reef? What does Ida say about the people of Sydney? What is the outback? Now, use the information in the text and answer these questions on your copy. Good luck.